So welcome back to my channel. This is your girl AE. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always returning back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to create this look. Yes, this is what I imagine of creating today, and I was so glad that I have achieved the look that I wanted to create it. Okay, I wanted to create something yellow smoky eye, and I love the outcome of this look. Okay, so yeah, without much ado, let's dive into the video. Let's start by priming the lid. So I have my pro concealer here. I'm going to use as my eye primer. So I have my blending brush here.
So I started by applying the concealer on my lid, and I made sure that I blend. I have a perfect base for my eyeshadow look.
So I will be using this eyeshadow palette. So guys, I'm going to start with this color right here on the lid.
So as you can see, I'm just packing the color on the lid. I'm not dragging it. I'm just tapping the color on the lid.
I will be using this type of bronze here. This eyeshadow palette. So I will be going in with a deeper brown here.
So I went ahead to use that brown color in my crease region and also blend. Guys, when it comes to eyeshadow look creating, you just have to be blending. Okay, I don't know how I'm going to say this. When it comes to eyeshadow, just have in mind that you are going to blend to your perfection. Okay, and where there is color fading out, you add, you blend. That is all you have to do. You don't have any distance, like you are the one creating the look, so just go with the flow. Where you see that there is no color, you add, you subtract, you blend. There shouldn't be any harsh line. That is all you are supposed to do. So that is all about eyeshadow. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just blending, going back and forth, you know, just adding color, blending. And I what I wanted to achieve is what I was working towards. So you can see that I'm just blending, going back and forth with the colors, and that is all I do for this eyeshadow look. So I will just allow you guys to watch how I achieve that look. So guys, I went off camera to do the second eye, and after that I used my eyeliner to draw the line. And I do not draw any wing line, but I draw the line close to where the black color ends, and also fade out that line into the darker color around that area. That is all I did for the eyeliner. So after I finished that, I went ahead to line my waterline as well. So after I finished with the lining, I went ahead to use my daughter Rashel vitamin C micellar cleansing water to clean out the eyeshadow fallout under my eye and also clean my face. Then I went ahead with this aloe vera face serum. It helps to moisturize the skin very well. That is why I went ahead to use it, and I massage it well into the skin. Okay,
stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same.
So after that, I went ahead with this snails serum, advanced snail serum on my skin to help moisturize the skin as well.
That I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all.
After the serum, I went ahead with the snail moisturizer and also apply it on my skin generously everywhere, especially under my eye. Then after that, I went ahead with this my check primer and I apply it on my forehead, my chin, and massage it into the skin for it to set well. And please, if you can notice, I do not apply it under the eye. Okay, I don't apply a primer under my eye. Then after that, I went into this adventure oil control primer, and please, this primer I just apply it on my t-zone areas, that is my brow area, bridge of my nose, and that. So after that, I went to set everything in with the Kiss Beauty setting spray. Then after that, I went into my cheek foundation in the shade 03. Then I use my soft beauty blender, yes, very soft and damped. There shouldn't be any water inside, it should be damped. So I always say this: when it comes to foundation blending, guys, you have to blend to your satisfaction. You blend. I always say this: your blending game will determine the flawless makeup that you are looking for. If you're not able to blend your foundation well, everything that you do will not come out well. So blending your foundation will determine the end result. Okay, so you have to blend everything to look flawless on you. So blending is what you need here now. And please don't drag the beauty blender, you tap 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 tap. That is the rule over here. So yeah.
As you fade away, as you fade away.
To contour my face, I went ahead to use this Blossom foundation to contour my forehead, my cheek, and the rest of my face.
You told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
So for blush, I went ahead to use my cheek lipstick palette and I used that orange shade as my blush.
As you fade away. Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up, I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden, I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be.
To highlight under my eye, I went ahead to use the Blossom Spotless Concealer in the shade Blossom. Oh, yeah. And I use it to highlight my under eye, my forehead, and my chin.
Control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
To set my concealer in place, I went ahead to use my Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set under my eye, my forehead, and my chin.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay
After setting my concealer, I went ahead to use that particular shade of powder to contour my forehead, my cheek, and the bridge of my nose.
fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
So after I finished that, I went ahead to use the exact shade of my powder to set the whole face.
Long it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
To melt the powder in place, I went ahead to use my key setting spray to set the whole face. Then after that, I went into the powder to take a little bit to set my brow in place for drawing of the brow. Please, I'm so sorry. I thought I was recording whilst drawing the brow, but I wasn't. So I did everything off camera, and I'm sorry for that. Please.
Let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be.
So to line my lip, I went into the Adventure brow pomade, and before that, I have to clean my moisturizer on my lips before drawing it. So I use that brown Adventure brow pomade to line my lip, and I make sure that I blend that brown pomade on my lip to make sure that everything looks seamless before I go ahead with my main lip stain.
That way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade
So to make the lip glossy, I went ahead to use this lip gloss on the lip, and that is all I did for the lip.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
So to make my lower lashes pop, I went ahead to use this mascara on the lower lashes, and it looked perfect. Yeah.
As you fade away, as you fade away.
To wrap up everything, I went ahead to use my all-nighter spray to spray everything, and that is all.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If it does, give me that thumbs up and please like, share and subscribe. Be part of this family and let's vibe together. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why